Hello children. Today we will going to learn some amazing facts of human body. Our heart beats around 1 lakh times a day. Our nose and ears continue growing throughout our entire life. Our mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva each day. Babies are born with blue eyes and they don't shed tears until they are at least 1 month old. Our eyes blink around 20 times a minute. It is impossible to sneeze with open eyes. An adult has about 5 to 6 liters of blood in his body. Human teeth are just as strong as shark teeth. Our brain is much more active at night than during the day. Acid in our stomach is strong enough to dissolve razor blade. Okay children, I hope you enjoy this video and understand these amazing facts of our body. We will meet again with one more interesting topic in next video. Bye bye.